Hey everyone, Jake Fair here with WarpFX, another really quick tutorial showing you how to use the KingsDeadZoom. So basically I've set up two markers here, one at 50 and 35 frames. That's the sweet spot for the KingsDeadZoom. So I'm going to actually do somewhere in between, right about there. Perfect. Going to nest that, drag the KingsDeadZoom onto it, go to your effect controls. You're going to want to zoom this in, open up your transform. Now this won't line up perfectly, but you can drag it over so it does. You're going to want to adjust the position keyframe so that the zoom lands where you want it to on your frame. So, for example, you can see here, I'm going to line this up. That's where it should go, cool. That's where it should go, cool. Then you want to copy that, Control C V or Command C V for Mac. Take that over here, delete this one, and drag it. Once it snaps, you'll know that it's aligned. You want it to be lined up perfectly. So you'll see here, nice. And then the difference between that and the original is if I go here, delete these two, and reset the motion. So now this is the original clip again. Take KingsDeadZoom. So this is the one that we've adjusted. Lands exactly where we need it to. And this is the original. The original is just lined up for the center, just so that if you aren't adjusting it, it'll make sense if your composition is framed correctly. If not, and you want it to go to the left, the right, anywhere, you do this here at the top. You adjust your keyframes and you're good to go.